Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my September thank you notes. Aren't they beautiful? So we're using the brand new bundle, which is the beautiful Autumn, and it comes with the stamp set and the punches. And then we're also using the beautiful Gilded Autumn Specialty designer paper. So these are the 4 pieces that I'm using for my thank you notes, but they're double-sided, and the specialty means that they're foiled or some kind of a texture to the designer paper. So these are the 4 pieces that we're using, but we're using the non-foil side for the thank you notes. But the paper is so beautiful. So we're going to be making the mint macaron version, which is right here. And then this one is the Cajun Craze. This one's early espresso, and then crumb cake. Aren't they cute? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. I'm using the Very Vanilla this month, and this piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. Then the mint macaron is cut at 2 1/2 by 4, and then the specialty designer paper, the Gilded Autumn, this piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping first. So let me show you the stamp set. This is the beautiful Autumn. We're using My Heart is Grateful for You. And then these images all match the punch that comes in the bundle, which is the maple leaf and the acorn are what we're going to use for our thank you notes this month. But then there's also another leaf punch. And these punches really punch a substantial size of the leaves and the acorn. They're not like rinky-dinky, you know. You can purchase these items individually as well. So you can purchase the stamp set and then the punches all by themselves, or you can buy them in a bundle and save 10%. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp with the Early Espresso Classic Ink. And we're going to go ahead and stamp My Heart is Grateful for You. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. And it stamps so pretty. So like, such a pretty cursive-y print. All right, so then we're going to use the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. Punch that out. Fits in there perfectly. Okay, then we're going to also use the copper foil sheet. And this one uses, I believe this is the maple leaf, right? And then the acorn. So those are the 2 punches that we're going to use on my thank you notes. So the maple leaf is going on the mint macaron version. And we're going to go ahead and pop this up on a dimensional. Let me cut a little piece here. That. Put this on the back of the leaf. And then we're going to pop this up on the greeting up in the top right corner, right next to that heart. Isn't that pretty? And then we're going to also pop this greeting up on a couple dimensionals as well. Okay, now this is the Baskelweave and metallic ribbon. They come together in a combo pack, and we're going to use the, I believe this is the mint macaron color, and then we're going to also use on the other thank you notes the metallic, which looks like the copper. I'm just winding this up here before it gets out of control. I used that one on the other 2, like I used the mint macaron on these 2 colors, and then the copper colored ribbon here on these 2. Okay, so we use both of them. So we're going to cut a piece of the Baskelweave ribbon, and I just want it to be a little bit bigger than the designer paper. So let me grab my scissors. So we're just going to cut that right about there. Then we're going to take our Stampin' Seal. It's almost a shame to cover the back side. The paper is so gorgeous. Any size you'd use on these thank you notes would be really nice. So I'm going to wrap this around to the back, securing that really nicely so it doesn't move. Okay, then we're going to put some adhesive just across that ribbon just to kind of secure that even more in place. Then we're going to take our mint macaron piece, put the designer paper right on that. I'm going to attach this to the base. Okay, and then the greeting is going to go on the right hand side of the ribbon, but we're going to also put it off to the side so it's actually hanging over the side of the mint macaron. Isn't that beautiful? And then I did do one other thing. I added the champagne shimmer paint, which I forgot my bottle on my other desk, but I do spray them with that alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and the champagne mist shimmer paint, my little bottle mixture. I'll put the link down below for this video if you want to catch out that on how I mix that with the shimmer paint. And here's the other one. Then the early espresso, the Cajun craze, and then the crumb cake. So you're getting 2 with the maple leaf and then 2 thank you notes with the acorn. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll also have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.